In this video, how we are going to be using is called Canva. So open up your Canva. If you don't have the Canva app, you go to your Play Store or your App Store to install this app. It is totally for free. Okay, all right, so we are going to use this app to create free YouTube thumbnail that we can use on our videos. So to do that, when you open up this app, we are going to have a search bar here. You can see we are going to have a search bar here where you can search for YouTube thumbnail that you are looking for, or what you can do is to scroll down your screen. Okay, scroll it up just this way. If you scroll it up, that is going to waste our time. So why don't we simply search it out in the search bar here? So let's search that out in the search bar. So tap on the search bar and it's going to give you option to type in something. So we are going to type in YouTube thumbnail. So YouTube thumbnail, that is what we are going to type in this search bar, YouTube thumbnail. So enter the search, tap on the search button on your keyboard. Okay, all right guys, so do not forget subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So give a thumbs up to this video so that YouTube will help push this video to other viewers like you. So when you search this, it's going to come up this way. So make sure your network connection is strong so that it can load up just like this. All right, so this is what is going to come out. If you look at the top here, you can see we have different categories of YouTube thumbnail. So let's say your channel is all about music or any other niche that you're on. So you're going to scroll it this way. Just use your finger to scroll it that way. So if I should scroll it this way, you can see other niches that are here. We have music, food, beauty, we have tutorial, we have travel, wedding, live stream, and vlog YouTube videos. So these are other niches that you can streamline to. Okay, to select any particular niche that you're in. So let's say since my channel is on tutorial, so I'm going to tap on the tutorial text that I'm seeing here. Okay, you can either create your own thumbnail from the scratch, but this is the easiest way and the fastest way to create thumbnail, since you are not going to um buy it. So this is the fastest way using the template already existing on Canva. So now tap on the tutorial. Since I am on my channel is on tutorial videos, so if you check there, you can see other niches that are there. So if your own is on food, or if your own is on beauty or any music, you can check those other niches that are there. Okay, so let's say I have picked the I've picked the tutorial niche which my channel is on. So let's take a look at this. So if you can see, we have let me show you difference what you need to know here. So if you can see, this one is called paid. Anyone they write paid on, it means it is premium. So only those that are on premium can access these ones that paid is on. Okay, then these other ones are free. Okay, the one without paid are free. You can tap on that to edit it and make use of it. Okay, then for those who have the money to spare, it is the premium. Canva is very good for you. If you have the money to spare, you can upgrade to the premium version, but if it doesn't, no problem, Canva is free for everyone. Okay, so I'm going to scroll through this and look for a thumbnail that suits what I want to create. So let's say this thumbnail suits what I really want to create. So let's say this thumbnail, because the lady is happy. So what I'm going to do is to tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, it's going to load up like this. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn up the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video, and comment down below if there's any video you will want me to create and talk about. Okay, so you are going to give it time. It's going to load depending on how fast your network is. Okay, so it's going to load up just like this. Okay guys, so we have this is what is going to come up. So now pay attention. I'll show you how you can edit this text to your own taste. Okay, Okay, so this is how you edit this text. So let's say I want to edit this video, got 1 million views in 2 weeks. So let's say I want to edit each of these texts. What you have to do is simply tap on any of these texts. So if I tap on the first text, it will give me option at the bottom here to edit. If you look at the bottom here, you can see the edits. You can change the font, you can change the font size and all that. So I'm going to tap on the edit to edit this text. So what I want to create thumbnail about is how to so I'm going to delete the initial text that was there using the delete button on your phone keyboard. So what I want to talk about is how to design free thumbnail, which is the video I'm talking about here. So guys, do not forget, pay attention to what I'm doing so that you can get what you need out of this video. So I'm going to tap on the second text, which is in the second box. Tap on edit again to edit this text. So how to design free thumbnail. So this text, I'm going to shift it to the middle of the shape, which is onto. So I'll tap on the third text. So I'm going to edit this text. So how to design free thumbnail. Okay, so this is what you do, how to design free thumbnail. If you can see, when I type my text, it shifts to the second line. It happens like this because the shape of the border around the text is small. So to make your text be on the same line, you have to use this handle to expand the box. So hold the handle and expand the box, so you can see what I did there. So it makes my text to be on the same line. Okay, so you can decide if the shape is too small for your text, you can decide to move that shape again. So you can move the shape to the right hand side just a little bit so that your text will come out. So I'm going to move my text over this shape. Okay, so we have something like this. So the text is together now. How to design free thumbnail. Okay, so if the text is smaller to you, if you cannot see it very well, you can use your two finger to zoom out your screen on the empty area, and it's going to give you this access, which will make you to view this text very well. Okay, this is how to do this. You can zoom it out so that you can have a good view of this. Okay, then when you are done, you can use your two finger to zoom it in also, just like this. So I've gotten something like this, a good thumbnail, how to design free thumbnail for your YouTube video. So I can decide to change the image of this lady by going online to download the image that I want to use. So after downloading the image that you want to use, to change this image, you have to tap on the image, then tap on replace. If you tap on the replace button here, it's going to take you to your phone gallery. So you pick out the image that you want to use on this your thumbnail design. Okay, so that's how to replace any of this image. So I can decide that I don't like the background of the color of the background. How do I change the color of this background? Simply tap on the background. It's going to give you option at the bottom part here. So tap on color. So I can tap on color to change the color of this background. So I can decide to go with black. I can decide to go with a good contrast color that will match the colors in my design. So this is how you change the colors of the background for this design. Okay, so this is how you do this. So I can decide to go with black so that it's going to be very visible for my viewers. Okay, so guys, this is how you design a free thumbnail in Canva using just your smartphone. Canva works on laptop, so for those using laptop, this is the same process that you are going to use. So when you're done designing, this is time for you to save. So I'm going to tap on this icon. Okay, please guys, stay to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you will be able to upload this thumbnail that you have just created to your YouTube video, okay, using your mobile phone. Okay, so when you're done designing, you just tap on this icon. So when you tap on this icon, it's going to give you option of this nature, which is saving the image that we have just created into our phone. So when it's done saving, it's going to give you a prompt that is done saving. Okay, so let's give it a little time while the Canva app is saving our image. So now the Canva app is done saving our image, so it's going to give you this share button, but do not do anything here. Just tap on your back button on your phone to go back. Okay, so guys, this is how you design the YouTube thumbnail in on your smartphone using the Canva app. So in the description of this video, I will give a link on another video on how to upload YouTube thumbnail to your video using your mobile phone. So check in the description, the video will be there, or there's a card up on this video where you will see a link to that video. I will see you guys in that video.